Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to grab our watch and open the menu on it. To do it, press the lower button right here on the left side of the watch. Once the menu opens, use the upper and the lower button on the right side to scroll through it. Scroll through the menu, select the settings option, and once it's selected, press the middle button. And here, select the general settings and press the middle button to continue. Now select the pair and sync option and press the middle button. Here, scroll down, select the option called paired devices and press the middle button. And right here you should see the iPhone that your watch is connected with. Once you see it, press the middle button. Rather, it needs to be selected. If you have multiple devices connected, you need to select the device you want to disconnect. So select the device. By default, if it's the only one, it will be selected. Then press the middle button. Press the middle button to confirm. And then the pairing will be removed. Now we can go to our iPhone, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see POLAR Vantage M on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to remove it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.